Hi everyone, it's Lynn. Welcome to my channel. So today's card is this zigzag pop-up card. You will just remove the belly band and then inside it reveals the zigzag pop-up. To make the card, start with a 10 by 6 inch piece of card and we are going to measure at 2.5, 5 and 7.5 inches. Flip your card around onto the short side and score at 2 and 4. Flip it back around onto your long side, and in the middle set of squares you want to come first of all to this end square and score this at 1.5 inches. Flip your card around and come to this end now and score 1.5 inches. Next we need to do a little bit of cutting. So where we have made the score lines in the centre, this is where we need to cut from this score line to this score line and also this score line to this one. So I'm just going to pop this diagram in. So this is my score lines and this is where we need to cut along the center. So either using your ruler and your craft knife or your trimmer, create your cut lines along like so. Once we've cut along the score lines, we should end up with this like so. And then next we want to do a little bit of folding. So I'm going to start at this right hand side on the center line, and this score line we need to fold it over to create a valley fold. Then this score line we need to make as a mountain fold. The center one needs to be a valley fold. The next one along needs to be a mountain, and then this one needs to be a valley. Okay, that's how the center panel should look. And then I will move to the top. So this one needs to be a valley. This one needs to be a mountain, and then the last one on the top row needs to be a valley. Okay, so we've got valley, mountain, valley, and then come across to the bottom row and again fold this over, and this one becomes a valley. This one becomes a mountain, and the last one becomes a valley. So that is how our folding should look. So now I will move on and decorate my card. So next I'm going to decorate my card using some papers from the gorgeous Alice in Wonderland paper pad, and this is from a Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine issue 270. So the mats and layers are 2 1/4 by 1 3/4, and the designer paper is 2 by 1.5. So I'm just going to speed it up for this Next we need 2 pieces of paper that measures 1 3/4 by 3/4 of an inch, and I'm just going to stick one in this little rectangle and the other one in there. Next we need 2 pieces at 1 3/4 by 1 1/4 and 1 1/2 by 1 inch, and just going to pop these down in this square there, and the other one just along. I'm just going to pop this to one side for the moment. Next, take a piece of cord 8 1/2 by 6 inches and score at 4 1/4. Fold and burnish, and a piece of cord that is 4 by 5 3/4, and a piece of cord that is 3 3/4. We're just going to pop this into the front. Next, I've taken a piece of cord 8 1/2 by 1 inch. All I'm going to do is bring it around my card like this. Now then, it won't meet in the middle. However, I've taken one of the toppers from the paper pad, Welcome to Wonderland. I've popped a couple of little foam pads onto the back, and I always like to pop a little bit of glue onto my foam pads. Just gives a little bit of wiggle room, and I'm going to pop this down onto the card. Next, I'm going to bring my card in, and I've also got my inside, and what we want to do is start folding this up. So if you want to, you could just start folding the crease lines across like so, and then what you need to do is pop some glue all around the edge of the side. And I just want to line this up. Then pop some more glue to the back. Like so. And then just bring this side across like this. Line it up. Just give it a good press down, and there is your card, and all that leaves us to do is fold it over and then just pop the belly band across the top like so, and there is our finished zigzag pop-up card. So I will just show you there. It will just pop off the belly band, and then inside it will reveal your zigzag pop-up card. and how fabulous is that? So there you go. I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you have, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I would really love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free to do so, and I would be really grateful if you could do this for me. Also, don't forget to hit on the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a new video. So thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day. Happy crafting. See you soon. Take care and bye bye for now.